Hey everybody, today is September 16th, 2018, and if I'm going to post an update on the Hurricane Florence situation here in North Carolina. I'm located in Mecklenburg County of North Carolina, just north of Charlotte and Huntersville, and this part of the state did not get hit nearly as bad as eastern parts of the state, such as Wilmington, places like that. This hurricane, which is now a tropical depression, has spent a whole lot of time over the state of North Carolina and South Carolina, and it has been like a three-stage event. At first you had the major storm surge on the coast and the major flooding out that direction. That was 2 days ago. So yesterday it dumped a lot of rain on North and South Carolina, closer toward like the Sandhills of North Carolina and the PD area of South Carolina. And today, a lot of the heavier rain bands of the now tropical depression are situated right over the Piedmont. So for example, Mecklenburg County and Union County, North Carolina, for quite a bit of time today have been under a flash flood emergency. The flash flood emergency was mainly for central and southern Mecklenburg County. I'm located in northern Mecklenburg County. We've picked up about probably 5 or 6 inches of rain just today. Flooding is not quite as bad as I anticipated it would be. Although, make no mistake, we've been getting a crap ton of rain. There have been scattered power outages across the area. Our power has not gone out. No flickers, no outages. So far, so good. Today, Sunday, the 16th, we're supposed to have... This is supposed to be the worst of it for us, really. The winds have actually died down quite a bit because this thing has weakened. It's now just a depression. As this thing came in, along with the past couple of days, we've had some pretty significant wind gusts. But the rain was kind of off and on, kind of moderate. But as of late last night and to this morning and throughout today, the rain has been pretty heavy, and we're supposed to get even heavier amounts of rain. And also, since we're in the northern rightmost quadrant of the storm, they mentioned this on the weather today. They were talking about the potential of some of the stronger bands putting off some weak tornadoes. So we're not out of the woods just yet, but I'm here. I'm okay. My parents are okay. Their place is okay. And as I mentioned in my previous video, keep North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia in your thoughts and prayers, because there are a lot of people who've been severely affected by this whole thing. It's been, it's been pretty bad, and as mentioned, in Mecklenburg County and Union County, they're under a flash flood emergency due to quite a bit of significant flash flooding that is a threat to life and property. So yeah, it's not quite as bad as they were forecasting it to be. This thing moved, at least for this area. Now the coast, they got nailed pretty bad, but as this thing moved in, it didn't move quite as fast as they were anticipating. But it has weakened quite a bit, but it's still being a huge rainmaker, nonetheless. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the little update. I'm here, I'm okay, my parents are okay, we're okay. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.